Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of UltData. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about UltData and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of UltData and you will go here to this sign. If you find update, you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.